What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at Nvidia for the morning update, and then I'll also take you over AMD and other semiconductors as well, just very high level, and then we'll do specific videos of those, especially AMD and SMCI because they have their earnings today, so in the post market. So we'll talk about those in separate videos later as well, but let's go through the high level sentiment of the market, and then most importantly, we'll be focusing on the technicals of Nvidia for the morning, how things are looking like. So with that guys, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. So all right, what am I seeing with Nvidia today? Well, so let's talk about where we left off. We said that guys, we are above 20 and 50 days moving average. We have more of potential to continue to remain bullish. Nvidia is showing signs of that still. You can see pullbacks are being bought back up. This is still going up. We have had this pivot, right? And we formed a higher highs, higher lows, and we also got out of this distribution phase. Well, the support of the distribution phase, resistance turned into support now. Sorry, yes. This is where support was, then it started to become resistance, and then we have this support again, and this is of the distribution phase. But this is what has marked the change of structure as well, from downtrend back to the uptrend, right? Now, we have been getting that bounce here. Is Nvidia still strong enough though to carry up from here? So let's go to the hourly interval. Yes, we are above 20 and 50 days moving average. So the pullbacks, you can see they're getting bought back up as well. But let's go to the hourly interval to take a look at more closely what are the levels to carefully watch. So what I'm seeing here is, guys, this level of 866 is a really, at least in the recent price action, is a good demand zone for the reasons that, let me mark this as well here, for the reasons that we have a significant level down there, but also we have the good wick here, demand buying yesterday, and then even in the last hour yesterday we had a buying here, and even today when Nvidia tested that same level of 866, it got bought back up, right? So intraday here, it has been a huge good demand. Now the thing is that you can see it tapped out again at 887 today, right? At our significant level. These are the areas and the significant levels, you know, again marked by my indicator automatically. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. Now what I expect from Nvidia here, it's still any side game, okay, but on the downside, the confirmed downside is not there unless we lose $859. If we are not losing 859, that swing short is not going to come. So we still have to take this as a potential pullback eventually, but this is the area you are watching. If we start to lose today this 20 hours moving average, it's not right away time to buy. You then have to see if this blue box area still holds, or if this 20 hours moving average still keeps holding, and accordingly, if you're in the position, you know, great for you, you have made a lot of money. So this is the time to start sizing out as a little bit, because things are consolidating. If you're trying to enter a new position, then on the long side, then you have to make sure whatever you enter, make sure that you have your stop losses in these areas, because if things slips that below this blue box, then the structure will start to change into a double top and downtrending. So the move has happened, all right, on the plays, and my bot has given a lot of plays on that as well. But moving forward, right, how will this play continue? This is the area 866 to 876 is the area that Nvidia needs to keep holding. Let's go to the 5 minutes interval. And yeah, so far again we are tapping out upon the top, but it all comes down to, guys, if Nvidia can hold this level of 866. And yeah, so right now what I'm seeing is that a little bit of a head and shoulder pattern. So it's a bearish pattern, at least on intraday. So if you lose 873, 866 is a possibility. If we lose that, then this thing on swing will start to look bearish as well. Well, weak as well, not fully bearish, because why so? Well, I showed you a couple of things on hourly interval. We have good support there. And also, guys, the thing is that we are still above 20 and 50 days moving average here. So yeah, it's unless and until we are not losing 859 on swing, it's not bearish. Okay, this is just a pullback intraday short, sure, the way I talked about, but not swing bearish unless we break below 859. So Nvidia is technically still in the structure of bullishness, and is, let's see if it continues to hold. And if it continues to hold 859, it's, as I say, still in the upside structure right now, and more upside is possible, but accordingly stop loss needs to be taken, right? So okay, yeah, so that's that, guys. This is getting choppy as well, I can understand that, but it is the name of the game, and but trade with those levels and the structure most importantly. So AMD, I don't have any position on AMD right now. We have earnings today, and I said so, guys, that we will come up to $162. Today we tapped out there, and we are choppy. That's what I said. Expect it to be to remain choppy until earnings. Guys, our earnings will define it now. If it gaps up above 162, we'll see how it gaps up, but that will set it for some upside. Earnings will define it. Gap down. Even tomorrow will be a day where you would want to see how it reacts after earnings. Usually there is a follow through on the direction that it picks up, but we'll see. I'll talk about it once the earnings have completed. Just taking a look at real quick ARM as well. Yeah, ARM is in the rebound phase, guys. I don't think, at least until earnings, there is not much upside I can talk about on this. It can, if it continues this rebound, 20 days moving average might give it another rejection. It's still in the downtrend. Okay, it's in the downtrend. Broadcom. So yeah, Broadcom is in the bullish structure right now. It's not bearish structure unless it's not breaking below 1295 again at this point. Yeah, it's in the bullish structure right now. SMCI has its earnings today, so we'll see. And I have talked about it yesterday as well, that well, at this point earnings will define, but yes, right now it's already in the bullish structure. We'll see what earnings does. It all comes down to now earnings, guys, nothing more than that. Micron. So Micron, I have an update on my position as well. I want to do a separate video on this, but guys, yeah, I'm fully out of this as well now. Like I did take partial profits out down here as well, and then I took remaining profits out in this rebound to that same significant level back. So out of this position, nothing more in here now. All right, well, that's it for this video, guys. Well, before wrapping up, let's really quickly take a look at QQ and SPY. And as I said yesterday as well, that technically this is just a rebound until blue box. Today we are rejecting that and looking at least weak. So let's see if we reject here fully and continue lower, but this was the area to watch, right? That I said, yeah, that distribution, sorry, this rebound is fine in the distribution phase, but not fully bullish unless we get above around this box as well, blue box. Similarly with SPY, same story. We are not fully bearish though. We are not fully bullish as well. So we are still just like hanging around here. Either direction break above 510 and 82 cents is an upside play, and to the downside 507 and 24 cents play to the downside, right? All right, just before wrapping up, I just want to quickly show you Tesla as well. Not bad. It's a little bit of a cool off day, but things are not bad. It's just going sideways a little bit. Comparative to other stocks, well, they have been selling off, so I'm not gonna sit here and complain about Tesla. I think that's fine, and yeah, I think it's looking fine to me. I'll talk about it more in detail in the other videos that I'll do today, especially on Tesla as well, but this was more specifically for semiconductors and also Nvidia. Guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.